Hey guys, this is Samuel from Skymac Teenovation Club Uganda, and today, this time around, we're doing a build-up video of this big board. This is a Quality ND5 3D printer, and it's not gonna take long, about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, because it's very easy to build. It's very user-friendly, easy to build. As I told you, 15-20 minutes, we're done. Only have to put up this frame for this top, put in 8 bolts on the top, put in 8 bolts at the bottom, put on this bed, put on the screen, and put on this pole holder, connect these wires. Very easy, just have to put this white, much the white, black, red, and you're done. And I really love this setup of the Quality that it did in the file, that it prints going down. I just love it because it doesn't have to move around. This wire is sort of broken already, but this is a very good setup. It just goes down and up. And the top one keeps moving around. And the way it's performing, it's really doing good. And compared to what other printers will have to offer. And also for the price range. The price itself, it's incredible. According to what it can do, it works way beyond what it costs. And I have to show you what some of the things I've done. Show you the print quality. Some small things here. I made these book holders out to you punch in the book, and it's good. I think you can see the quality. I don't know if you can zoom it well, but it's really good quality. Sorry, my camera is not good. And it took me about 5 hours to print this. Wow. It takes about 7 to 8 hours with normal printers, but 5 hours to print this. And in the best quality service. The print speed is amazing, the quality is amazing. Everything about this. And also made these. A key holder. Put on my keys and keep my peak, play my guitar. When I'm done, put that back here. And I'll do some peaks. 2 in 1. And I used the Esan PLA filament, and it works so great. And I think it matches. I don't know why. It's doing the magic all of it. So this is so cute. Alright, let's get started. Let's dive into the video. Let's get started, shall we? Hey, I'm Moses.
Hi, I'm Ari.
And today we are having an ND5 3D printer. I can't believe we're having these compatible right now. And let's say big thanks to Nawiu and Quality that made this possible for us. And this looks like a build-up kit, and we're gonna have to build it in the next few minutes. Yeah, let's start it. Alright. Good packaging. Alright, so let's get everything out, clear some stress, and get back to you. Okay, looks like we have our down frame here. We have some filament, about 200 grams. We have here our hotbed. It's kind of magnetic, you know. Yeah, we have also some electricals, which I'll get back to that later. We have some frames, the top frame, the LB screen, the Z-axis frame, and I think this is the nozzle, yeah. So, I think following our guide here, we let me see. Yeah, I think our first aid. So I think here they give us how the printer is going to look like. I don't know if you can see that. So it looks like our step one is putting our frames to our down frame. So yeah, let's get these things opened up. Alright, how do we put these things down? Just this in space. Okay. Looks like our first step is to attach these frames to these guy here that has all the electricals. Yeah, I think we have to install these ones first. How do you need the screws, please? So in these screws, I realized they have these little guys here. Yeah, these guys. In every screw, in every nut, you have to put this guy just like this. Put it there. Yeah. So could you please help me put these wires in the screw, please? Thank you. I need help, please. Okay, so let's try putting this here and I show you how to do it. Then, so okay, let's turn this upside down. Right? Okay. Hold for me here. Okay, so when you're putting in these screws, I emphasize do not tighten them yet because we don't want anything to be out of just being forcing anything in the kind of break. So just leave them a little bit loose for now. She'll tighten them later when everything is done. Now we have finished attaching the frames to the bottom frame, and I realized there's some places for the screws on the side. We didn't put them there, so keep that in mind too. And I emphasize, do not tighten the bolts yet. So Ari, what's the next step?
I think that is the frame.
Yeah, the top frame. Yeah. So I think, this way, like this, right? Yeah, like this. Okay. So Adi, help me put in some bolts. Yeah. Okay. Start it. Okay. And again, when you're putting in the bolts, don't tighten it after you're sure that everything is in a straight line. Don't want to be forcing anything. Okay. So let me screw up everything and let's get back to it. We have finished screwing up the screws, attaching the top frame. Actually, I realized I made a mistake. I had switched these down. Make sure that when you're installing these frames, the ones with the holes on the side goes on top. I actually made that mistake and I had some trouble making everything again. So Adi, what's the next step?
I'm installing the Z-axis.
Yeah, right. So we're going to install the Z-axis right here. Okay. So we have some tiny little holes here. I think we're going to use the M525s, I think, as the screws. Okay. So let's screw this up and get back. Okay, so we have finished installing our Z-axis, and we go to the next step. Oh yeah, the next step is installing the hotbed. All right. So yeah, we have okay. I think let's take it a little bit down. What is screws? The M10. Yeah, these guys. So we have at least 6 holes down here that you can see. 6? Yeah. Around 7 or 8. 8. Wait a minute. Help me. So we put in the screws. They tell us to. The money is 4 screws, but we had some extra screws lying around, so I put it in these 2 extra just to add in some support. So I think our next step is installing screwing and the filament holder, and yeah, I think that's what we can do.
They're going to go around, the screws going around here, and the filament holder, I think it's around here.
Yeah.
Right.
So you need to put this at. There are no screws, so we're going to be using these, but you have to be sure that when you're installing it, the filament will be able to fit, not just anywhere. So I believe this just like this, yeah, just like this. Alright, great. So let me attach these and this, and we'll get back.
Alright, so after all this, we have put up some stuff. Moses, what have you put up?
We installed the screen,
Okay.
then for the extruder and the filament holder.
Alright.
These were a little bit tricky, but with some little hard work to finally figure them out. For me, I had to remove the whole of the top, but that was unnecessary.
It actually took us some time to figure out how to put in these nuts. I know it's very easy. Just have to put them the way they are.
Alright, so I think our next step is connect these wires. There are a little bit of letters around here, and following the description here, we will be able to fix them in the right places. But that's going to take some time if we don't have. So let's put them all together, then we'll get back.
And I think we have to put these wires together so we don't have a mess.
Yeah. Alright.
Let's put them out. Okay, guys, we've finished connecting all the wires, and we put this with tape because we don't have trouble when we move it to another place. Yeah, alright, and you see the bed, we've leveled it up. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's leveled up. We're ready to print. And what do we have here? Oh, we have a screen, we have power the tone, and we have the memory card slots. You can see, yeah. And then the USB slot, and here we have our switch. I think we're good to go, and let's print this. What do you think?